So here I have my Meepo board V3 and it's been squeaking for a while, so we'll fix this. And my Wowgo is good. Nothing. All we gotta do is flip it over. This key to open it. Just take this off. Just try to pull it out. I was trying to pull it out for like a minute, so I just turned out the camera. But you just push it to the right. Just keep, pull it out to the right. Later on, I'll show you how to properly pull it out with the front wheels. So I just basically pulled it out, but then you can just unscrew these one. If you're in a rush, then don't bother unscrewing the base plate. And then I tried using the Allen keys that they included, and it didn't work. It was too big. Same thing with the Wowgo Allen key. Like, as you can see, it doesn't even go in. So here I'm changing the Allen keys. First I'm trying the Meepo key, and then I'm about to switch to the Wowgo key, but it's still too big for the base plate, but they fit well into the battery and ESC enclosures, so I just took a different one, and it fits well, and then you can unscrew it much easier. Now take some regular soap and make some shavings out of it, or you can just use the same thing with wax, but it works the same because I did this same thing to my Wowgo a couple months ago and it still holds well. Now take some of those shavings and put it inside the pivot point and put some on the bushings, in it, around it, all over the place, and you can put some on the bolt as well. And just put some on top. Basically, the more you put, the better it will be. Just don't put way too much. But yeah, and then it just falls off. And that's how you put it on. You just put inside the pivot point first, and then you put it inside the hole, and then just pop it in. It's pretty simple, and it's done. And then you can place it on the bolts, and then you can put some more soap, and then put another bushing, and then tighten it. Yeah, just to be safe, put some extra inside the bushing, and then you can just blow it out. Extra, just tighten it, and you're done with the back side. It's pretty simple. I had to record this all over again because my memory card ran out of storage, but just take out the bushings, then just pull it to the side. Then I was trying to record it in a way so you could see it, and then that's how it pops out. It's pretty simple. Just pull it. Just do the same thing for the rear ones as well. You can just dip it into the soap shavings and just do the exact same thing as we did with the rear ones. Put it on the bushings, under the bushings, and everywhere. And just snap the trucks in, then put some extra soap, and then I use the knife tip to push further the shavings. Then just put some extra, and just tighten it. Then I had to re-record this because it wasn't everything deleted basically. But here you can hear it's not even squeaking. Same thing with the back. I know it works well because I did this exact same thing with the Wowgo a couple months ago. It's silent, same thing with the Wowgo. It's been a couple months already, it's still holding well. Thanks for watching, check out my other videos.